Hello and welcome to the Master and Dynamic product tutorial for the MW08 Sport Active Noise Cancelling True Wireless Earphones. In this video, we will review how to charge, pair, and use the M&D Connect app, how to use the multifunction button and control volume, how to use active noise cancelling and ambient listening modes, and finally, how to select the right fit and clean your MW08 Sport True Wireless Earphones and foam ear tips. How to charge. Our MW08 Sport comes in a compact Kevlar fiber charging case that can be charged wirelessly with the MC100 wireless charge pad or other compatible wireless chargers. When fully charged, the earphones hold up to 12 hours of listening time and the case holds an additional 30 hours for 42 hours total. The earphones charge to 50% in 15 minutes and 100% in 45 minutes inside the charging case. MW08 Sport can also be charged via the included USB-C cable and USB-A adapter. Plug one end of the USB-C cable into the side of the case and plug the other end into a power source. If you do not have a USB-C power source, you can use the adapter to charge from a USB-A power source. After closing the lid, the case battery status lights will come on. A green light indicates the battery is between 70 and 100%, amber indicates 30 to 69%, and red indicates 1 to 29%. The middle light shows the status of the case battery. The left and right lights show the status of each earphone. If the center light flashes red or does not display, the case battery is depleted. How to pair. The first time you take both earphones out of the case, they will enter pairing mode. Simply connect through the Bluetooth menu on your device and select M&D MW08S. To manually activate pairing mode, take the right earphone out of your ear and hold the multifunction button on the right earphone until the indicator light starts pulsing. Again, select M&D MW08S. Please note, if you've already paired to a device and you hold down this button while the earphone is in your ear, it will activate the voice assistant. How to use the M&D Connect app. After pairing your MW08 Sport, download the M&D Connect app to access firmware updates, custom settings, and more. M&D Connect is available for download on your device's app store. How to use the multifunction button and how to control volume. There is a multifunction button at the top of the right earphone. Pressing once will play and pause. Press twice to skip forward, 3 times to skip back. To activate voice assistance, hold the button while in ear. You can also answer incoming phone calls by pressing the multifunction button once. The volume controls are located on the top of the left earphone. Pressing the front button increases the volume and pressing the back button lowers the volume. 3 microphones in each earphone provide the freedom to play music or make phone calls with either the left or right earphone independently. When you take an earphone out of your ear, the audio will pause. How to use active noise cancelling and ambient listening modes. To activate active noise cancelling, which reduces background noise, press and hold the back button on the left earphone. To turn it off, simply press and hold the back button again. To activate ambient listening mode for added awareness of the user's surroundings, press and hold the front button on the left earphone. To turn it off, repeat this step. Additional noise cancellation and ambient listening can be activated within the M&D Connect app. You can also use the app to set your default ANC and ambient listening settings. How to select the right fit. Your earphones come with size medium silicone ear tips attached. For optimal noise cancellation, choose the size that forms a seal to your ear canal. To attach, squeeze the ear tip to match its orientation to the nozzle. MW08 Sport earphones also come with foam ear tips that conform to the inside of your ear for an even more secure fit during workouts. To insert your earphones, gently compress the foam ear tip using your fingers and insert into your ear. Hold the earphone in place until the foam fully expands and forms a seal with your ear canal. You should be able to move your head freely without the earphones coming loose. How to clean your earphones. Clean the earphone sapphire glass and foam ear tips using a slightly damp cloth. Do not use alcohol or any other cleaning substances on the product. Do not soak or submerge your earphones. To clean the proximity sensor, take a damp Q-tip or cloth and lightly polish the sensor. Thank you so much for listening. We hope that you enjoy your MW08 Sport Active Noise Cancelling True Wireless Earphones.